Hey everyone! Whoever owns an Audi A6 C5 car has encountered a problem to corrosion of the front fenders. I haven't been spared from this either, and over the years the left front fender has deteriorated the most. At first, I thought about trying to restore it, but in the end, I purchased a fender from another car, painted it and treated the inside. By the way, in previous videos I showed all the nuances I had to deal with. The next step is removing the old fender. I start by jacking up the car and removing the wheel. Next, I need to remove the wheel arch liner, but first I unscrew the mudguard. I won't be putting it back, by the way, to prevent water and sand from accumulating in the lower part of the fender. Just look at how the screws holding the wheel arch liner have rusted in this area. To remove the wheel arch liner, I unscrew the remaining screws and self-tapping screws. After removing the wheel arch liner, I move on the most challenging step, which is losing the bracket to which the seal trim is attached. To make it easier, you can unscrew two screws of the seal overlay, one from below and the other from the side by opening the door. Without the screws, you can slightly bend the seal trim and have enough room to unscrew the plastic bracket screws. In my case, the bracket was only secured with one screw. Once the bracket is removed, you can immediately unscrew the bolts that attach the fender to the car's body. In my case, there was only one bolt, but it had rusted and snapped. Next, we remove the decorative bumper trims and unscrew two vertical bolts. Then we unscrew three nuts that secure the bumper of the fender. After that, we push the bumper forward so that it doesn't interfere with unscrewing the fender bolts. Next, at the rear of the fender, we unscrew two screws of the vacuum receiver. Remove the turn signal repeater and unscrew one dust cover bolt. In the final step, I unscrew all the bolts that secure the fender to the car's body. I start with the screw at the front of the fender, which is located behind the bumper. Then, for convenience, I unscrew one bolt that secures the fender strut to the longitudinal beam. I will be installing a new strut because mine has rusted and fractured. Next, I unscrew three bolts under the hood and remove the seal and cable on the edge of the fender. Don't forget to unscrew two bolts in the middle of the rear of the fender near the door. Then, open the door and unscrew one bolt at the top. After all the manipulation, the fender is easily removed. As you can see, the fender starts to rust along the edge and the bottom, where moisture and dirt accumulate. I hope you enjoyed my video. I would appreciate if you could give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you later!